sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Daawwattoota hordoftoota keenya ramee xiqqashoo boksii waliin goone inni tishaala. Fam. All right, here we go, man. Sporting fayyada. Sporting jaalala. Yoo yaadni isin jiraate yeroo garee gabbaate.
Yo! Smooth. It's kind of smooth.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this.
This is why Naasir dropped and started. Doesn't that hurt? People are actually commenting on this. Okay.
Can I make the video?
No.
We're having this a video. We're live on Facebook.
Live.
Oh.
They saw you on
So, hordoftoota daawwattoota keenya akkana qophoo'aa isin jenna. Rabbiin Quraana keessatti wa'idduu lahum ما استطعتم يا ربي من قوة ها وكذا Fani qabadha yeroo gariis qilleensa fudhadha baarra dhaqa kubbaa taphadha ispoortii maarshaal artii dalagaa kun hundinuu fayyaa isiniif gaariidha fiigicha faradoo ispoortii ayina jirtu hundaa'u dalagaa qaamatti jajjabeessaa qaama sochoosaa horkisiisaa nyaata nyaatanii ifa keessatti hin dhiisinaa isin jenna rabbiin rasuuli sallallahu alaihi wasallam المؤمن القوي خير وأحب إلى الله من المؤمن الضعيف يا رسول الله. المؤمن تجي ربي الومس ججبا الرجال تما يا ربي الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم ربي برتي مؤمن تجي لها سبعيجو خنافو عبادتي جواتون اسبورتي جواتون برومستي جواتون هوغنستي جواتون قابصوتي جواتون وأم دخيستي تكفاتا ترجمو يالي قول إن شاء الله دنا بعد يتين تاين خي ما مرتين رفيني خي هوجتيس دلقتيس عبادتيس سبورتيس برومستيس. So this is my humble message for everyone that's out there. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the believer that is stronger, the strong believer is better than a believer that is weak. That's the saying of the Prophet. The most beloved and the most beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala out of the believers, the believer that is strong in everything. When it comes to salah, when it comes to siyam, when it comes to fasting, when it comes to sporting. You know, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to chase with run with Aisha radiallahu anha, with his wife. Running, marathon. All this is part of the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And especially playing with the arrow, horsing. All this is the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam is not just sitting there and worshiping Allah in the masjid. Doing exercise is part of worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So don't just sit there, get up, do something inshallah. Have fun, enjoy. At the same time, worship Allah. Learn, have fun, worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You know, Islam is all about having fun, learning, doing the right thing inshallah. Alright, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.